My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the adware called RelianceTask. So, RelianceTask is a special adware that belongs to the adload adware family. This particular adware attacks Mac computers only. Based on my personal observation, this adware mainly injects Safari browser. The problem with this RelianceTask application is that very often it is spread through integration with some free applications, so people often download and install it absolutely unintentionally. Often this adware is spread through fake software or browser update alerts. For instance, it may be masked under some fake Adobe Flash Player update. When people mistakenly proceed with such updates, they may install a lot of junk applications, including this adware called RelianceTask. Anyway, you need to get rid of this adware as soon as possible because it will be displaying a lot of advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. To remove this adware, go to your Finder, check your applications. When you find this RelianceTask, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Now, I also recommend that you additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly still remain on the system. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this screen download button, install the program. This is the way the software looks like. It is initially in the trial mode. In my case, as you can clearly see, the program is in the premium license. Now, even the trial version has got several absolutely free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Click on Start Combo Scan button. So Combo Cleaner will then begin researching and investigating your system. It will find certain threats that could be peculiar to your computer, that could be the part of your Mac computer. Combo Cleaner will show you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan. In that report, you will be able to know the exact locations of these threats on the system. So, some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I do recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution. So, at the end of the scan, click on Review Results. You may remove certain threads manually by going to their locations, but a Combo Cleaner Premium license is the best solution to delete any malware from your system effectively.